Hello everyone, welcome to Aryabhat Ashram. Today we are going to carry forward with the question of vector analysis. We are going to solve question 7a, but before we do that, let us have a quick recap. We have given similar nature of question in our test series, that is evaluate the surface integral y z x I cap plus zx j cap plus x by k cap dot dA, where S is the surface of the sphere in the first octant. And now, similarly, you can see over here that what has been asked in UPSC, but here they are asking you to verify the Stokes theorem for the vector field. Vector field is same, but here the surface S is a part of a cylinder, okay, and they have given the variation of x and y, and x S is oriented upwards, okay. So we will start solving this question. Now, first of all, we are going to write the Stokes theorem. F dot dr can be written as your double integration or surface integral of curl of f dot n cap ds. Okay, so such question become easy because you are supposed to verify it as of 20 marks. So we start with our LHS. Okay, f dot dr. Now, first thing is that we will be drawing the graph. So first, this is called as xz. So in such case, it is important that you draw a three-dimensional graph, and I call this as y. So this is x, z. Again, I will take projection over here and here, and I'm going to join all of them. So you're supposed to draw a neat one. Okay, so this is my origin. So I can call this as 1, 0, 0, and this is a curve 0, 0, 1. Z is equal to 1 minus x square. Okay, similarly, we can write for this one. This is 1, 2, 0, and 1 minus 2, 0. Over here also we can write for all of this. Okay, this is 0, okay, 2, 1, and 0 minus 2, 1. So it is important that we level all of them, and so we can see over here this is one of your curve C1, okay, and this is your C2 from here to here, and this is your third C3, and lastly we get this as C4. So we need to find the line integral along this 4 C's. Okay, so you have to level the diagram properly. You can use different color to code it. So I start with my C1. Okay, so in C1 we can see that there is certain thing. Y is your minus 2. Okay, and x varies from 0 to 1, and z is your 1 minus x square. Okay, now first of all we need to do the general f dot dr, which is nothing but we can write the general format for this, and we will use all of them. So this is yz, so yz I dx, okay, plus yz plus second term is your first term is your xy. Okay, so we will look into the question says that f is xy I cap plus yz j cap plus zx k cap. So we can do f dot dr. It is xy dx plus yz dy plus zx dz. Okay, so that's the case. So for this part on C1, if I call this as integral 1, then I can write this as x 0 to 1. That's my variation. And this is your minus of 2x dx. Okay, so since minus y is minus 2, so we can write dy as 0. So last is your x and z is your 1 minus x square, and dz we can do from here is your dz is equal to minus 2x dx. So we can write this as minus 2x dx. Okay, now we can find its value. This is your I1 is equal to 0 to 1 minus of 2x dx minus of 2x square dx plus 2x to the power 4 dx. So we can integrate it plus 2 x to the power 5 by 5, 0 to 1. Okay, so this is the third question. You have to be cautious while doing your integration. Minus of 1 minus of 2 by 3 plus 2 by 5. So this is, we can take 15 LCM. This is minus 15 minus 10, right, plus 6. So this is your minus 19 by 15 is your I1. Similarly, again we will bring into this f dot dr and we will compute for C2. Now let us go to the figure once more. On C2, what is the matter? On C2 we can see that y varies from minus 2 to 2. Here minus 2 to 2, whereas z is 0 and x is 1. So this we can write x is equal to 1, z is equal to 0 and y varies from minus 2 to 2. Okay, and so our f dot dr was nothing but xy dx plus yz dy plus zx dz. Okay, so this is what we have been given. So for this part, if I call this as I2, I'll write this as how much? Minus 2 to 2y. Since x is 1, so dx is 0. So this is your 0. And z is 0, right? Z into y dy. And z is 0, so this part is also 0, 0. So this is your 0. Similarly, I will think about my C3. C3 you can see over here from the figure itself. This is your C3. So here we can see that y is equal to 2, okay, and x varies from 1 to 0, 1 to 0, and z is the cylinder that we will write. So 1 and C1 and C3 will write. So C3 x is how much? X varies from 1 to 0. Z value is how much? We can look up here. So Z is a curve 1 minus x square and y is equal to 2. And y is equal to 2. So there is similarity between C1 and C3. We will see this. This is nothing but again y is equal to 2. So put over here in this equation. So 2x dx plus, since y is equal to 2, so dy is equal to 0, plus x, z is your 1 minus x square into minus 2x dx. Okay. Now here the limits are going to be 1 to 0. That's the only change here, and we will write this one. So I3 can be written as 2x square by 2 minus of 2x square, this is your x cube by 3, plus x to the power 4, and this is your 5. This is minus 1, this is plus 2 by 3, this is 2 by 5. This is how much? Minus 15 plus 10 minus 6. So this is minus 50 minus 21 minus 11 by 15. Okay. And similarly, we have to write for C4. On C4 also, we will see that C4. We can see on C4 our Z is equal to 1, right? X is equal to 0 and Y varies from Y to minus 2. Okay. So for this part also, it is supposed to be 0. So we can check this one. C4. So here it is what? 2 to minus 2 and Y Z. Z is your 0. So what we get? I4 is equal to 0. So if we add all of this, we get our line integral as minus 19 by 15 minus 11 by 15. So this is your 30 by 15. This is minus 2. This is minus 2. Now we have to verify our RHS. That is your curl of f dot n dot ds. Now first of all, we are going to take the curl. This is your I cap, j cap, k cap, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Now we are going to put the value of f, that is your xy is given the question, yz and xz. This is what? Dou by. So this is your dou by 0. Okay. Minus of y minus j. So this is your z plus k cap. This is 0 and this is your minus x. So we get this as, and take minus outside, y I cap plus z j cap plus x k cap. This is what we get as a curve. Now I will always try to do this question in a very normal fashion. So I will parameterize this equation like this: x I cap plus y j cap plus z. Z can be written as 1 minus x squared. This is the cylindric. Now I will find the n cap. N cap is always rx into ry upon modulus of rx ry. Okay. Now, and we have also to find ds, which we can write as ds equal to dx dy into n cap dot k, because projection we can see this direction. Okay. So this is the standard method, and with the help of this you can actually solve any question. So that's why I'm giving a general approach. So I can write this rx is equal to I cap minus 2x k cap, and ry is equal to j cap only. Okay. So if I do this, multiplication. Okay, these vectors multiplication, that is your cross product. So I minus 2xk into j cap. So we know I into j cap is your k cap minus of 2 cap. So k into j cap is minus of I cap. So this is nothing but 2x I cap plus k cap. Now I can write this n cap is equal to 2xi plus j cap upon how much? Upon modulus of this. So this is your 4x square plus 1, and dx I can write as this, and n cap dot k is nothing but 1 by, okay, and we are going to put in our equation. Okay, all of these values, you remember this is minus sign, this is your y I cap plus z j cap plus x k cap, right, dot 2x I cap plus k cap upon 4x into dx dy 4x square plus 1. This and this get cancelled. You can put the limits as well, x 0 to 1 and y is your minus 2 to 2. Now x is equal to 0, 1, y is equal to minus 2 to 2. So this is your 2xy, okay, plus x dx dy. So first function is odd function, so we will write this as 0 minus of 0 to 1, y is equal to minus 2 to 2 x dx dy, which can be written further as minus of x square by 2, 0 to 1 into 2 minus of minus 2. So this is your minus 4 by 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. So we got our LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So such questions, as you have seen, we have given the test, and it's not that the question will appear from the straightforward things. It can come from your basic knowledge and you can do it in this examination. So we are launching our test series from 31st January 2021, okay, for mains maths optional, and you will be immensely benefit if you join right now, because after the prelims there will be not much where you can really improve upon. This is what we have observed in the past 1 year or so. So please like, share and subscribe, and we believe that this approach is basically to really make you understand in very simplistic terms, and more importance is given on the ideas, and it's how questions are done rather than merely doing it mechanically. So thank you for watching.